In this video I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Click on the blue button at the bottom that says buy and then click on Bitcoin, or if you don't see it, type BTC and click on it. Now here, first of all, you'll need to choose how much money you want to put in. So for me that's euro, for you it might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is. Let's say I want to buy 100 euros of Bitcoin. I'll type 100 and it will say that I will receive 0.001137 Bitcoin. If you want to buy a specific amount of Bitcoin, click here and it will toggle to crypto, in this case BTC. So let's say you want to buy 0.001 Bitcoin. Here you'll type 0.001 and it will say that you'll spend 87.83 euros. Now what you need to do is you need to choose how you want to pay for it. Click on here and from here you can choose to pay with either Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard, or also you can pay with the money in your spot wallet. If you don't know how to deposit money on your Coinbase account, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. So choose the payment method you prefer. Let's say I want to pay with Google Pay, so click on Google Pay. And once everything is done, click on the blue button that says review order. Here it will show you a summary of your order and click on the blue button that says buy now. Once this is done, you'll find your Bitcoin here in assets and then crypto.